Alright, whoops. Alright, so sorry. This is the elevator here at the Holiday Inn in Kissimmee, Florida. Doesn't look like they've started this bank at least.
About this one. Or that one.
It's this one. Going up. Let's go up to 8. Installed in 1982 or 83. Very early Series 1s. I think these are just relay controlled, but I don't know for sure. Light's wobbling a bit. For an 8. Ooh, a bit of a rough stop.
Sounds like a low and oil elevator.
1. Rails are worn out. 8A phone. We'll take a few rides on these. Not too many, but I want to get a few because I know these are going to be gone eventually. I believe the other towers started. This is Tower 1. You're on 1. Your Otis logo. Going up?
Yeah.
What floor?
7.
7. What floor?
7, please.
Okay, I'll leave your own 7.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're interested in elevators. We actually run YouTube channels where we basically go all over the country, sometimes all over the world, where we ride elevators and stuff.
Oh, wow.
No two elevators are the same, and we like the old ones the best, and elevators are only original once, just like anything else, and they're actually about to replace these soon.
Oh, wow. Well, very cool. Good luck to you guys.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, here we go. One more floor. Here are an 8.
Oh, these clicky.
There's your interlock. There's the other 2 cars. We'll call one of the other ones back down at the lobby. Anyways, 1.
All these fixtures.
Me too. They're a bit worn, but I still love them.
Better than the 401 series.
Classic levels a little bit. Should go. Here we go. Hope we're not making you uncomfortable. We're just interested in the elevators and we're doing a documentary of them.
Are you cool?
Yeah.
One of them doesn't work, so if you take pictures of that one, it'll be pretty boring.
Yeah. Alright, let's send this one up and we'll get one of the other cars. I like the doors. They almost look like US elevators on the outside, kind of.
This one's here.
Let's watch it go.
What is the rear door?
Okay, it should go out. There we go.
This one has a rear door. I'm guessing this one's a service elevator.
I'm guessing that's the one that's out because it's not coming. Now that one doesn't have any ads on the door, and like I said, it kind of looks like a US elevator door, or a general.
That's a rear door. You see the other door track.
It's 3. 2 is on 6. Still going up. There, this one's coming. Or it should be. But yeah, we made it here just in time before these go. At least according to hotel reviews and what someone told me recently. Older Series 1 call button, but the newer fire service. Yeah, that's the hallway to the other tower.
Okay.
Here it is. Lantern on this car doesn't work. 8?
Door close is replaced.
Yep. Here we go.
Pathetic.
These are definitely pretty fast for the amount of floors. We'll take one more ride on this car after this, and then we'll go to the other tower.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, this one classic levels. I'm gonna get a look out. They actually renovated the hallways here. Here's your call station. 8. Riley. 1. 1's burnout. Also, we'll go down to 2 first because I want to get an intermediate call station. I'm not sure if they're relay controlled or 401s with broken chimes, but either way, they're a lot of fun. And this is 2. There's that elevator. And there's your call stations for here. See, look at that. Thank you. And we will go to 1. We'll take one more ride on this car because the acceleration is pretty fun on it. And then we'll go to the other tower.
The doors look to me in good condition.
Yeah.
They look almost like European. Sorry.
It's good.
European style
What floor?
doors.
7, please.
Here we go. Have a very nice day, sir.
Has anyone filmed these before us? Or?
Only me, and I filmed them all the way back in like 2016.
Oh yeah. Almost just like European how they close like
Ornate. Yep, a little bit of leveling. Otis. 1.
Again, the button doesn't light up.
Yeah. These are pretty old though, actually. 37, 38 now.
Yep.
I can't believe it. I can't believe Series 1's practically vintage now. Going down?
Yes.
1.
Yes.
And here we're on 1. And the button already went out. And we'll get off here. These are bouncy. We'll watch it go, and anyways, there it goes. Did you send it up?
Yeah.
Watch the indicator. Anyways, that's cool. Very fast and a lot of fun, but anyways, there they go, and
Yeah.
that is gonna be it.
Oh yeah, it even says it on the map.
Yep.
This is the south tower, this is north tower.
Alright. That's it.